Well, him say I'm me the man for the job, so him see the opportunity and him just take the slot.
Are your father?
No, why you ask that?
So how you make decision for you and you can't make it for yourself?
I don't say can't make it for myself. The man just rate me and the man say opportunity.
So, let me get this straight. Your boss signed you for your cruise ship job. Last for 6 months. You have a woman in a yard and you discuss it with her. And you're gonna tell me say it's a big opportunity.
Babes, if you look upon it realistically, it's a big opportunity based on the amount of money that me go earn.
Karim, you're missing the whole point. This man signed you without you even know. And you not discuss it with me. So you try to tell me say, he can't unsign you?
Me never say him can't unsign me, but it's a slot. And I don't want somebody else take up the slot.
Oh, so you're alright with this? You only made the decision already?
And I like say I agree to it.
Karim, what's my foolishness? You tell me say you don't want the man unsign you because you don't want to lose the slot. So what that mean?
We could discuss this.
Discuss what? Something where you don't assign pan already?
Babes, remember say it's a better life me I look for me here, you know. Here so over there, it's not full place. When we do that work you know, then we can go about our home. Think about it.
Why your place so difficult? We talk about this other time.
Tea.
Karim, give me a one. Come on.
Hi, young people. How are you doing?
Mums, what there man good and thing, you know? But I reaching.
Well, go on, Mom.
Who good. I'll catch up though.
Tony, is what happened?
No, Mom.
Wait, anybody make you? Tony, tell me. A woman him have?
No, Mom.
Hello, tell me no. Tell me. Come in know them like a young boy I stay. And you see him nice looking and him tall and dark and handsome. You try fool him.
You can't stop shout? Please. Me and him have a disagreement because him boss signed him for your cruise ship work.
So, Tony, are that the big for? But Tony have more money that.
And at that, him boss sign him up, him never know, and him never discuss it with me.
Then, Tony, are that the big for him for? Ah, boy. So if him never know, or him to tell you?
Him just tell me a while ago.
Alright. You want to talk to him? Give me a minute. Favorite son-in-law? Where you there?
Mom, I know one thing, you know. I swear.
Carry on. I choose to get cruise ship work.
Well, me not get it yet. My boss signed me up and say me have a good chance of getting it.
Carry on. Me hear what them work there now. I don't know money you get.
Yeah, good money. I also get a lot of tips. And you don't pay taxes on water.
You bingo boy! That's it. Yes, but Kareem, you should have told Tony on.
Last night, them actually confirmed everything, so I'm telling her today.
Okay. Tony, Tonya, the young man just explained to me. It's last night in final, and he come tell you this morning.
Maureen, you and Karim have missed the point. Karim gets signed for your cruise work for 6 months, you know. Him boss can't do that. Him boss can unsign him, and then me and him discuss it, and then we decide.
But, you know, say 6 months not really that long. Why tell you week, boop, 6 months done?
When I realize that the two of you are leave me out of the equation, him not discuss it with me. 6 months is 182 and a half days, Maureen.
So, Tonya, are you really worried about it? The 6 months?
No, the fact that the two of you decide.
I mean, but the man don't decide already.
That's the point. Him can't make a decision like that by himself. Him live with a woman.
You're right. It's come. You can't make a decision like that without consulting. Carrie, take the walk. Alright? Tell her, say, you unsigned. The boss unsigned you. Alright? You and her sit down, discuss it. Till she say yes to us. Can't party, she say yes. Alright, so she say yes now. Tell her, say you sign back. Alright? Good. Right, Karim? Right.
Right.
Alright, Tonya. You know, unsign. Alright? And then we'll talk. Okay?
Thank you. At least you understand.
Him shouldn't make a decision like that without you. Right.
That's what I've been saying to him. Him can't make him boss sign him up for something and me and him not discuss about it. Yeah, I understand.
So we can discuss it later. So you understand now, babe?
Yes.
Alright guys, I'm leaving you guys to it.
So, you get physician?
Yes, I see him. But, let me tell you something. I go to the hospital. I pass the bed about 3 times. Tonya, make it so white.